Hello friends, welcome to MWell Education channel. Okay, in this video we are going to make how to make a gold text. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Select the file, new, and select the size of the. I always prefer to choose 1920 width and height is 1080. It's the common size for all thumbnails, poster, so full HD we can also call it. So click on OK. We have our sheet, have some new layer. Just press select a V and press Alt and backspace to fill the black area. I need black background, so select the text now over here. Okay, I choose letter MYL. Okay, I will choose it in capital letter MYL. Okay, make it in center. You can select this, select both and keep it in center. Okay, choose so want to change the text, select here. I will say what text times New Roman, so little edges. Let's see how it's look. You can change any text. Okay, this one good. Now we can start our work. Okay, select one layer. Just increase little bit size. You can by dragging it, or you can change the size from here to 60. Okay, now click on the text layer, right click of the mouse, select the blending options. Okay, after that blending options, here you have to choose gradient overlay, so choose the color. Okay, my sheet is going some other screen, so wait a minute. Okay, now we are going to make golden color. Select here, double click, and here you have to fill the RGB value, that is you can say 246 is R, and G is 238 and 173. It's a light color. After this you double click over here, and this is dark color, so its value is 193, 172, and B is 81. Select OK. You can change the name over here, gold, so and save it. It will be saved over here. Yes, gold. Okay, and click on new. It's always when you open next time file, it always over here, so click OK. Here you can select reflected, so it's become in the center. You can also change your angle, but I prefer this. After this choose bevel. Bevel is little bit soft, so change the bevel smoothness to chisel hard. After that size of the, you can change it, but I will change it later. Select gloss contours, click here and double click over here. So you can set triangle to whichever you prefer. I prefer 120, so it look nice over here. You can change it like you want, but I need 120, it's much better. So there's some problem over here. Okay, I need like this, so 120. I need center because I have to fill with this size of the bevel. So you can by dragging it change the size, or just click up arrow of your keyword, you can change it. Okay, guys, try to close all the blank area with this. So 48's looking nice. 50. Okay, also you can change this for more brightness, so more depth. So let's see where it look nice. Okay, this one looks good. Now this screen size, you can also play with this mode if you want to change the sizes, but I prefer 75. It looks nice over here. So inner bevel, Chesil hard, every setting is okay. Now select inner glow. Here I prefer gradient, not gradient, single color. Here I have to select orange color. I can just move this, have here, or I have a value of that. So you can do it 238, 128 and 31. So increase the size of orange. Okay. Yeah, it looks nice. You can see the difference. Okay. Also choose here multiply to make more effective. Okay, this one looks much better from the previous one. Okay, now save this to okay. Now make one more layer. I want to delete all the layer style, that layer. This is one more layer, make it in the bottom. This will have different purpose, so I select it. Choose blending option, go to the strokes. Here you have selected outside color. You choose I will choose to gradient. So here select the gradient, click on the gradient, choose this one, we already made it. Okay, always choose linear to reflect it, so it look nice. Now try to increase the size. Okay, little bit. Okay, this one looks nice. Stroke size. So after this, select the bevel, emboss. Here again select this one. This is called ring double. Just click on it, and from smooth to Chesil hard, make the size setting and select here stroke emboss. So there is this effect only affect the strokes part, so it looks very cool over here. Just want to decrease little bit size, so it looks okay. 8 is perfect. Okay, now everything is looks cool. Easy way how to create it. Already created this text before, now it's looking much better. Okay, now click on OK. Okay, it's look nice. There's one thing more you can do. Just double click over here, and we have some outer glow. Select outer glow, select here again go for orange color, which you have by choosing this, or you can fill the value over here, 232, 128 and 31. It's depend on you, totally depend on you how you want to prefer. Increase the size of the glow. this look much better, much better. Okay, click on OK now. So we have now gold color. So this, I think this is the complete, but you want to add some more effect so it look much better. There's some glow on the text, on the gold, when you look at it, when there's reflection. So I have added new layer. Choose the brush tool, select here. I already have, but some people don't have, so I am telling you a setting. Just click on the setting, go to the assorted brushes, this will come, select OK. After that you have to select this brush and minimize it, increase the size whatever you want. This is too large. Try to give this effect on the brighter part of the text, on the edges of the text. I will choose this. Here I will choose this size. Okay, you see some edges over here, so there is need to setting over here. Go to setting. Okay, I don't have that setting right now. Wait a minute. Okay, my setting is not coming. Okay, click here. What you can see, there's gap, spacing in this, you have to decrease it. I prefer 5. Okay, now it's much better. Go here, you can see the difference. Okay, there's no difference, there's some error in my software, so that's why spacing is not coming that way proper. So I think I choose another brush. I have to change brush. Select here. Oh, this one looks nice. Okay. Add some glimpse over here. It's a sparkle, it look nice when we see the gold. There's some reflection on the edges, so it enhances our gold text more. Okay, that's all. I think I have finished my text. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming video like this. Stay tuned with our channel. Thank you so much.